Society evolves thanks to people who pursue their dream of changing the world and improving the lives of others. Without them, science would not have been able to achieve things that once seemed impossible. At Maymó, we have witnessed how these changes improved the health of society at large, sparking our passion to contribute to these advancements and work for a more sustainable future. Our goal is to add value to the veterinary world with our own innovative and efficient solutions that are environmentally friendly, offering products that improve animal health, in turn improving our own. At Maymó, we work with expertise, safety and a high level of commitment to our environment. Livestock is a fundamental part of our ecosystem, which is why we work together with veterinarians, breeders, universities, administrations and associations to achieve sustainable livestock production. We promote the responsible use of our resources and contribute to a better future through the products our R&D department develops, paired with our facilities' strict compliance with good manufacturing practice guidelines. We work to optimize our animals' quality of life with nutraceutical products formulated with natural ingredients to encourage the reduced and correct use of antibiotics, thus creating a healthier and more sustainable world for all. Experts in animal health. We are Maymó. We are health.